Hi, my name is Jennifer Cichra, and I'm a junior mechanical engineering major here at Slippery Rock. The project that I was working on was a 3D printed spike plate. This inspiration came from when I was hiking out in the Rocky Mountains this summer, and the spike plates that we were using were really heavy, and I thought that I could make something more lightweight and more easy to use for people that have mobility issues. Yes, so everything with my project starts with a sketch. So I draw it on paper, and then I take that into software and start to draw it up on an online model. And from there, I just use some other software to determine how the spike plate is going to react. From there, I can just send it to the printer and it's done. Yes, the spike plate itself is made out of a filament called PLA. It's just a type of plastic, and you can also use nylon, which I talked about a lot in my report. And the straps are made out of a flexible filament called TPU, so it allows you to bend the straps around your shoe. I learned that engineering can be tough. You're going to run into some roadblocks and hit a wall when it comes to designing things, but just letting those ideas marinate in your head for a while, eventually you're going to get past that. The part I like the most about SRU is that the professors are super helpful and they want you to learn, and we have all this equipment that they let undergraduate students use, which is not an opportunity that you get at most other colleges.